Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. When you look at the 2026 Scania R1000 V8, you immediately notice that this is no ordinary truck. Scania has a long history of building vehicles that balance performance, reliability, and driver comfort, but the R1000 V8 pushes all of these aspects to their limits. From its aggressive stance to its refined engineering, this truck is designed for both long-haul efficiency and heavy-duty capability. It's a truck that doesn't just get the job done, it does it with style, intelligence, and power that is difficult to match in the industry. The exterior design of the R1000 V8 is an evolution of Scania's iconic styling. The front fascia has been redesigned to combine aesthetics with functionality. A wider, more pronounced grille improves airflow to the engine, while the aerodynamic contours of the cab reduce drag, ultimately improving fuel efficiency without compromising stability. The LED headlamps are sharp and precise, providing excellent illumination while giving the truck a modern, commanding presence. Even the smallest details, like the integration of air deflectors and roof spoilers, are optimized to balance aerodynamics with appearance, ensuring that this truck not only performs exceptionally but also looks impressive on the road. The high-strength chassis and reinforced frame underline the truck's ability to carry extremely heavy loads while maintaining stability in a variety of driving conditions. At the heart of the R1000 V8 is its legendary 16.4-liter V8 diesel engine, producing an astonishing 1,000 horsepower and over 5,000 Nm of torque. This is a truck built for serious hauling, capable of moving massive loads up steep gradients or cruising effortlessly on highways with a full trailer. Scania has engineered this engine to deliver maximum power while maintaining impressive efficiency. Advanced fuel injection systems, high-pressure turbocharging, and optimized exhaust after-treatment all work together to reduce emissions and improve fuel economy. In real-world conditions, this means that the truck is incredibly responsive, whether accelerating from a standstill with a full trailer or overtaking on a highway. Despite the enormous engine, the R1000 V8 is surprisingly smooth, demonstrating Scania's mastery of engine refinement. The transmission is equally impressive. The R1000 V8 is equipped with Scania's latest automatic gearbox, which ensures seamless power delivery across all gears. The system automatically adjusts to load, road gradient, and driving conditions, meaning that drivers don't have to constantly think about gear shifts. Adaptive cruise control and hill start assist make driving on long, hilly routes less strenuous, while automated retarder control helps manage braking when descending steep slopes, reducing wear on the brake system and increasing overall safety. These technologies are designed to make the truck as easy to drive as it is powerful, which is a critical factor in reducing fatigue on long-haul journeys. Step inside the cabin, and the level of attention to detail is immediately apparent. Scania has prioritized driver comfort and ergonomics, resulting in a workspace that feels more like a professional cockpit than a traditional truck cab. The seats are fully adjustable, with heating and lumbar support options to suit drivers of all sizes. A multifunction steering wheel gives quick access to key functions, while the dashboard combines digital and analog elements in a way that's both modern and intuitive. The centerpiece is a fully configurable digital display, which can show everything from real-time fuel consumption and engine diagnostics to GPS navigation and trailer status. Storage has been thoughtfully designed, with compartments for paperwork, tools, and personal items, while optional features like integrated refrigerators, microwaves, and bunk storage turn the cab into a practical living space for long-haul drivers. One of the standout features of the R1000 V8 is the level of customization available. Scania offers multiple cabin configurations, from the high-roof sleeper cabs designed for comfort during long journeys to shorter day cabs optimized for regional transport. Exterior options include a variety of paint finishes, chrome accents, and aerodynamic kits, allowing drivers and fleet operators to tailor the truck to their brand or personal taste. There are also specialized packages for different operational needs, such as long-distance comfort, heavy load reinforcement, or enhanced fuel efficiency. This degree of personalization ensures that the R1000 V8 can meet almost any operational requirement without compromising on performance or comfort. In terms of performance on the road, the R1000 V8 excels in almost every condition. Its suspension system has been carefully tuned to provide a balance between load-carrying capability and ride comfort. Adaptive damping technology absorbs road imperfections efficiently, ensuring that even fully loaded, the truck feels stable and composed. The steering is precise and responsive, giving the driver confidence in tight maneuvers or when navigating busy urban streets. Despite its size and power, the R1000 V8 handles more like a premium car than a traditional heavy-duty truck, which is a testament to the engineering behind its chassis, suspension, and weight distribution. Safety is another area where Scania has invested heavily. The R1000 V8 comes equipped with a full suite of active and passive safety features. Lane keeping assistance helps prevent unintentional drifting, while automatic emergency braking and collision mitigation systems work to reduce the risk of accidents. Advanced driver assistance systems monitor surrounding traffic, alerting the driver to potential hazards or providing corrective input when necessary. Scania has also focused on driver ergonomics to reduce fatigue, including intuitive control layouts, comfortable seating, and a quiet cabin environment that minimizes stress over long periods of driving. These features not only protect the driver but also enhance the overall efficiency and reliability of the vehicle. Fuel efficiency, despite the sheer power of the V8 engine, is surprisingly strong. Scania has introduced eco-driving modes and engine management software that allow drivers to adjust power output depending on load and route, which helps reduce fuel consumption during less demanding drives. Aerodynamic improvements, such as roof deflectors, side skirts, and optimized mirrors, further contribute to fuel savings, particularly on long highway runs. For fleet operators, these improvements translate directly into lower operating costs and a reduced environmental footprint, making the R1000 V8 not just a powerhouse but also a smart investment. Technology integration is another key strength of this truck. Scania's telematics platform allows fleet managers to monitor vehicle health in real time, track driver behavior, and predict maintenance needs. This level of connectivity ensures that trucks spend more time on the road and less time in the workshop, which is critical for operators managing tight schedules. The system can even provide performance reports that help drivers optimize their driving style for efficiency, safety, and comfort. Combined with Scania's extensive service network, this technology ensures that the R1000 V8 remains reliable and high-performing over the long term. Ultimately, the 2026 Scania R1000 V8 is more than just a heavy-duty truck. It's a complete package that combines power, comfort, technology, and style. Its 1,000 horsepower engine, advanced automatic transmission, customizable cabin, and extensive safety systems make it a benchmark for the trucking industry. It delivers exceptional performance whether you are hauling massive loads, navigating mountainous terrain, or cruising on the highway. The cabin is designed for long-term comfort and convenience, with thoughtful storage solutions and ergonomic controls that reduce fatigue. Technology enhances both driver experience and operational efficiency, making it easier to maintain peak performance over time. For drivers, the R1000 V8 turns long-haul transport into a more enjoyable, less stressful experience. For fleet managers, it represents a reliable, powerful, and customizable vehicle